right, so we are back with another video. We now have a set of data. All the first names have been fixed where they no longer share the same name as another student. First name, last names are okay. And then also ID numbers are unique. So notice that there's no red cells. That lets us know that everything is unique. And if for some reason I go to plug in, let's say 1007. If I go and plug in a number that's already within the ID field, it's going to turn red. And the same thing for our first name. If I change this to Sophia, we see that she turns red. Okay, so this is all fixed. We've conditional formatted the data. And so now what we're going to do is, because I've changed some of the first names over here because they were duplicates, I am going to now change it so that the first name and the last name are put together as one cell. Okay, so we're going to use a formula today. It's called the concatenate formula. And so what we're going to do is plug in equal concat. And what it's going to do is it's going to join a string of cells together. So we're going to pick our first text, which is going to be F. I'm going to put a comma to let me know that that's going to be our separator. I'll put apostrophe. I'll put a space and then apostrophe. That lets me know that there's going to be a space in between the first name. I'm going to put another comma to let me know that the next item that we're going to put in there is going to be Howard. Okay, so now we've done that, and then you can just click and drag. So you don't have to do that every time. You just do it for the first cell. I want to just click and drag and go all the way down. So notice that now names match what we have here. Now, what I would do when I get my data in there, because what I would do is once I get my data in here, I always go to copy first. So I'm going to hold down the Control and C, or you can right click and copy. And then I'm going to hit Control, Shift, and V so that it just pastes the values only. Okay, so that way we don't see those formulas in there. So see how we see the formulas here. Now when we hit Control Shift V, notice that now it's just the name. So we don't have to worry about when we go to take the information and plug it someplace that we get some type of error. It's going to just plug in whatever we have here. So same thing over here, making sure that everything is there's no formulas. We just want the text only. So everything is all good now. So now we have our data. And so in our next video, what we're going to do is find out a grade. So we have 3 test grades, and I will show you in the next video how to find the maximum grade to make sure that we input that for the student's grade.